Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Sheets AI with Apps Script for data cleaning, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Google Sheets AI with Apps Script for data cleaning, start by opening your Google Sheets document. Navigate to the menu at the top and click on Extensions. In the drop-down menu, select Apps Script. This action will open a new tab for the Apps Script editor. In the editor, locate the Code Editor area. Delete any existing code in the editor to start with a clean slate. Now, you will write a function to connect to Google's AI services. Type the following function definition, function clean data. Press enter to start a new line within the curly braces. Next, you'll need to retrieve the active spreadsheet and the relevant data range. Use the command varsheet equals spreadsheet app.getActiveSpreadsheet.getActiveSheet. Now, define a variable to access the data you want to clean. Use the command var data equals sheet.getDataRange.getValues. At this point, you should create a new array to store the clean data. Type var clean data equals. Next, you'll loop through the data to identify and clean up any unwanted elements. Write a for loop for var I equals 0, idata.length, I++. Within this loop, define a variable to hold the cleaned row, var cleaned row equals. Now, loop through each cell in the current row. Use the command for var j equals 0, jdata, I.length, j. For each cell, you need to implement your cleaning logic. Add a conditional statement to check for empty values if data, I, j equals. If the cell is not empty, apply any additional cleaning, such as trimming whitespace. Use cleanedRow.push data ij.toString.trim. After processing all cells in the current row, push the cleaned row into the clean data array. Use cleanedata.push cleanedRow. Once the loops are complete, set the clean data back into the spreadsheet. Use the command sheet.getRange 1 cleandata.length cleandata 0.length.setValues clean data. Finally, save your script by clicking on the disk icon or pressing Ctrl+S. Now, close the Apps Script Editor tab and return to your Google Sheets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.